Welcome back to my channel. I'm down on the floor today, getting ready to get stuck in and clean this washing machine. I've took the drawer out, I've dumped it in the sink ready to clean, and I've got all my cleaning products ready to get stuck in. Basically, I've got bicarbonate of soda and white vinegar. That's what I prefer to clean the washing machine with. Although I've got the Dettol washing machine cleaner, I just feel like it leaves a strange smell in the washing machine, and I have said this before, so I don't want to say it again, but I'm going to use bicarbonate of soda and white vinegar. And come here then, Noah wanted to come and say hello. So I'm going to get stuck in, give it a clean, show you how I do it, and then empty the dreaded filter. I've got old tea towels ready to put down, and I'm hoping it doesn't all spill out everywhere. So let's get stuck into it. All the products that I'll be using are Method. This is Method antibacterial. It's the Sunny Citrus, and I'm literally just going to spray that in the lining inside the door in this rubber seal. It's antibacterial and it's safe. You can't use bleach or nothing like that in the washing machine because it breaks your rubber down. So you've got to be really, really careful. But I'll go through everything that I'm going to use now. So the products I'm going to be using today to clean the washing machine are, I did speak about that and I'm not going to go into that anymore. That's the Dettol cleaner. But I'm using white vinegar. Let's see. So, distilled white vinegar and bicarbonate of soda. These sponges are what I use to clean the inside. So I'm going to pick it up. It's got like a rough side and then like a soft side. That's great for cleaning inside. I've put the drawer into the sink, as I've already said, and I'm just going to crack on with it. I'm going to bring the camera down for that. the stain that I was talking about off the yellow comfort. The proper stain, and all inside the drawer is also stained. That's from yellow comfort. So that's how you clean your washing machine. Well, that's how I clean my washing machine. I've put it on a 60-degree hygienic wash, and I've put 2 cupfuls of distilled malt vinegar into the drum and a 1/4 cup of bicarbonate of soda. The only reason why I haven't put it on a 90-degree wash is because it's not dirty. I clean my washing machine every 4 to 6 weeks, inside and out. We want the best out of our washing machine, and I feel like to keep it performing at its best, the best that I can do for it is to clean it. So it never needs a 90-degree hygienic wash. I always do 60. I don't even think I put my bed on a 90-degree wash, to be fair. Plus it takes 3 hours, 35 minutes, man, on a 90-degree wash. So like I said, I could have done the Dettol, but I think I do that after I've done like the dog's beds and things like that. We like to think that we all have a nice clean washing machine, but as you can see from that sponge, and I've took a picture of it too, we definitely don't. That's nice and dirty. The cloth, not too bad, still dirty. And the Method antibacterial cleaner, I feel like that's the best thing that I can use because it's safe, it won't melt any of the rubbers, and you know, I use it on the tumble dryer too. If you'd like to see a video of me cleaning my tumble dryer, then give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below, and you know, I can always get on to doing that video too. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I love filming it. I post every Monday, Wednesday and Sunday. I've got so much that I want to share with you all, so I hope you have a lovely day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.